Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the Type tool and clicking the existing text layer so you're editing live text. Once done, open the Character panel from Window Character to expose size, leading, tracking, and anti-aliasing. Make sure units are set the way you expect in Preferences, Units, and Rulers so size values are meaningful. If text is rasterized, convert it back by recreating text or using Type tool on a duplicate. Now you're ready to change the numeric size and see results immediately. Now you'll change the size precisely. Click the font size field in the Character panel and type a value in points or pixels. Photoshop accepts both. Alternatively, with the Type tool active, drag the scrubby slider from the size label for quick visual changes. For non-destructive visual scaling, use Free Transform, Control, or CMD+T. Hold Shift if you want to constrain proportions in older versions. Make sure to watch anti-aliasing settings, and leading so spacing remains readable as size changes. Finish by confirming the document resolution. If text appears pixelated at large sizes, increase image DPI or work in higher resolution files. Once happy, convert the Type layer to a smart object to preserve vector quality when scaling further. If text wrapping, kerning, or line spacing shifts unexpectedly, adjust character and paragraph controls and reflow text manually. Troubleshooting. If size changes seem ignored, verify you edited the correct layer and that the layer isn't rasterized or locked. Unlock and retry changing size.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.